Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check unknown callers on your iPhone. Now you can see on here, it says no caller ID unknown when I go into my recents tab. Now maybe I want to know who this is or what the phone number is and why they're calling me. Now, if you tap on no caller ID, it doesn't do anything. If I tap on, for instance, Haley, it'll just call her back. However, next to no caller ID is a little I button. So let's tap on the little I. And again, it says unknown caller, and it says missed call, but it doesn't give me any more information on here. You do have several different options to be able to find out who this is. The first thing that you can do is tap on the keypad at the bottom right. Now, if they just called you, you can use a code to be able to immediately call them back and know what the phone number is. And that code is *69. It says a telephone service code used to automatically dial the number you last called or last called you. Now, all I need to do from here is dial *69 and then hit call. And it will call back that number that has no caller ID or unknown. Now, if this doesn't work for you, or maybe they didn't just recently call you, this was a day ago or something, another trick that you can use that sometimes works is when you get into the screen and you see unknown caller, let's press and hold on here. And now you can see it pops up with copy. I can tap on copy, and now I'll go over to the keypad. And at the very top, I'm going to tap and hit paste. Now it should paste in the phone number of that unknown caller, and you can see unknown caller here. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work on your phone, there are some other options. You can hop out of here and head into the App Store. The nice thing is there are apps that you can download that will tell you exactly who is calling, even though it says no caller ID or unknown caller. Now, let's tap on the search bar here. And on here, we're going to type in true caller and tap on it. Now here you can see true caller. And on here, it says see who's calling you, even though it's spam or a scam. Essentially, you can search for all of their information and who exactly is calling you and who those unknown callers are. So you can just tap on get or download here and then download it to your phone to be able to see exactly who is calling you. If you go through that step and it still doesn't work, you can always open up a web browser. And I have AT&T, so I can type in AT&T call logs on here and hit search. From here, I can always go through the process of accessing my entire call history, including who called me and the exact phone number that they called me on. I just need to log in and go to my call history. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.